Welcome back to KITT Raceway, everybody. I give up. I've been looking for these trucks in the store for well over a month. I've been unsuccessful in finding them, so I ordered a 2020 Monster Truck sealed L case, and I'm going to unbox these here for you right now. If you guys are new to the channel, hit your subscribe button, and make sure you give this video a like so I know you like the content. I am extremely excited. Let's get into this unboxing. Check out my last two unboxings. I'll put the links above. And also check out my most recent Halloween special, Monster Truck King of the Hill. And I'll put that link above as well. Let's get this started. Okay, let's get this box open here. This is pretty exciting. I've never done a Monster Truck sealed case unboxing before. What it looks like when you first open it. All right, let's take the first one out. The first one out is Will Trash It All. I have been able to find one of these in the stores, but I really like this very creative idea of this trash truck. I love the chrome wheels. I like the orange color, and it has a crushable car in it, which makes it pretty cool. I found most of these in the store. Now let me show you the ones I haven't found in the store. Cool casting, either way. This next one that I can see right there that I'm gonna pull out is extremely hard to find in the stores. I have been stalking the toy section at Walmart and completely unsuccessful. Let's pull it out. It's the Oscar Meyer wienermobile. I tell you what, this will be so much fun to have in my collection. I mean, look at it. Is it not cool or what? It's got those chrome wheels and of course the hot dog on the top. It's a good looking wienermobile right there. And on the back, most of these other castings have been relatively easy to find, but this is just a cool casting. It has that crushable car. Just an awesome monster truck, isn't it? All right, let's keep going. We'll set that here. And the next one up will be the Camaro Monster Truck. And once again, it has those beautiful chrome wheels. You see a chrome engine in the back. Look at that. That's pretty cool. It's mounted very high above the wheels. Just kind of a cool casting right there. It's kind of the best of both worlds. And on the back, ooh, wouldn't mind getting my hands on Bad Catitude right there. Otherwise, pretty common stuff, but a cool casting either way. Next one up looks like a recolor on Operation Stomp. That is pretty cool casting too. Has another crushable car. It has pretty cool tampos on it. Not sure I like that green roll cage on top. There's two that I really want to show you. All right, let's keep going. Next one up. Now this is one I've been excited for. I shamefully admit I do not have a Bigfoot in my collection until now. That's why I ordered this case. Two different color wheels. It's the Bigfoot 45th anniversary. Isn't that awesome? I mean, this is why I really ordered the case. This and the wienermobile and the school bus. Look at that. Yeah, there it is. Just a beautiful truck, isn't it? And I'm excited to finally have a Bigfoot in my collection. All right, next up is this Dodge Charger RT. But something really unique about this one is it's got these small, skinny slicks in the front and these big slicks in the back. And I mean, I bet this is built for racing right here. I love the wheel. I love the pattern of the wheel. Look at that. Is that not just a freaking awesome car? It's got that yellow crushable car. I can't wait for my next King of the Hill because he's going to be in it. And it'll be really interesting to see how well he does. There's a view of the back. And you know what else? He reminds me of the Dukes of Hazzard. I don't know if you guys are old enough to remember that show, but it was a good show. That's for sure. All right, I am excited about this one. I also have one that's kind of similar to this. It was in my third King of the Hill. It did pretty well outside. Pretty similar. All right, next up. Having a little trouble getting out of the box, but there it is. To school. We have the Hot Wheels to school. Now look at that thing. Is that not awesome? I have been looking and looking and looking for this, and I have been unsuccessful, so I finally have it in my hands, and it'll be in the next King of the Hill. Tampos on the top. Just a awesome casting. I just love it. Got a red crushable car on it. Got those black wheels. Just a really cool casting, isn't it? There's the back if you want to take a peek. That's great. That is great. Oh, do you see that? Crash Attack Pop Quiz. All right, look at that. I am excited for this. All right, and the final car will be the tactical unit. Got those dark wheels on them. Kind of some cool tampos on the top. I always like to have a good pickup truck as a monster truck. Yeah, black undercarriage, green crushable car. I like it a lot. Its crash attack is cargo crunch. I like it. Okay, that completes the unboxing. And there we have it. 8 trucks from the 2020 L case. I am super excited to have a Bigfoot, an Oscar Meyer Wiener, a 2-School, and a Dodge Charger with slicks on it. And I can't wait to put these in the next King of the Hill and have them in my collection. I appreciate all you guys watching this case. Check out my other videos, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the future. Really soon, I hope. I hope everybody's doing well. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.